up, guys? We're here at i.detail.
Weird. Where's the water at? There's World War III.
Feeling so hollow, don't you know? Don't you know? I'm living in shadow, don't you know? Don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did. And I did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh, they say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know?
What is up, you guys? Welcome back to Integ Legacy. I'm on my way to a truck meet that I forgot about. I'm going straight to the meet. I forgot what it was called. Just got back from doing donuts on the dirt. The only reason why is I haven't cleaned the truck ever since, for like maybe 4 months. 4 months, we'll say 4 months. I still care about the truck. Oh yeah, the paint, you don't take care of the truck. Well, I just wanted to do it only because I want to see how strong the chemicals that he gave me that last time when I went to i.detail. I wanted to actually put them to the test and see how good they're good at removing dirt. Just one swipe. The way he pictured it is this. It's like butter. You just take it off. We're gonna check it out, and then tomorrow I'm gonna go to i.detail and do that thing.
Gold, what did I know? What did I know? I fell for fool's gold, I fell for fool's gold. What did I know? What did I know? You were fool's gold. Yes, I did.
What up? Anything specific new happening?
We're doing a bagged OBS, doing a coilover setup, 5th gen. We're building this motor for cam. Got another one for coilover. Man, we got tons of work.
I can't wait to go this week because I've been trying to go for a long time. I've been trying to go to his shop for a while, but I've been busy going to Mexico and everything.
We're actually doing the Dodge 2, the one that we bought. They put the frame in it, back half that we're building. But we're gonna keep that one like exclusive. We're gonna reveal it in Cali.
You're going for CTI then, huh?
CTI and SynCal and Trocando in the Bay. We're gonna do a little tour.
I'm probably gonna go this year as well.
I'll buy, do some shots.
Don't touch the camera.
Flaker.
Flaker. I kept trying to tell you to let's go chill. You kept telling me no. Busy in the restroom.
Busy with your girl.
I don't have a girl, so you must
Imagine race.
Huh? For what? For what?
What thing?
What do you have?
6.
D6? Lying, isn't it?
What?
He has a V6?
Yeah.
I'll take you, bro. Sorry.
You see right now?
At a dead stop or a roll?
It don't matter.
All right.
Look deep.
What is the name of this meet?
Because they open, right? They just open.
But what is the name of the meet? We're just party crashers, bro.
I'm not gonna
You
lie.
gotta open it. What lift is this?
Kobe's Lift, BC Off-Road.
Oh, oh yeah, I forgot. He's a YouTuber. What is it?
OCS Vlogs, I.detail Vlogs.
Just barely started it then, huh?
Yeah. My recent vlog was me going to Colorado.
That'll be more entertaining than that. Go
I'm
to
saying,
Colorado,
like,
boy.
So I mean, like, you know, doing some hood rat like quemando llanta and
That's what I'm talking about. All right, let's see. Well, he has something inside his truck.
got a center console, you know, basic ass center console. DSATs on the side with some little tweeters, and aquí tengo my magic radio right there, aka a Pioneer.
How long did it take for you to actually get everything done?
I mean, I wanted it before OTM. That was like 3 weeks.
It was lit that time, huh?
Yeah, I wasn't ready that day. So I was like, until the next days after.
Is it banging right now?
Banging.
Turn it on. You have to show the people that it's actually banging. I'll just put you on blast. Where's the water at so I can prove to everybody that it's rattling? Not just sound effects. What's up, is it?
Sundown Vault is the size 12 camera size. Ah, wait,
You
but
a YouTuber.
no, bro. Sundown X, man.
All right, turn it on, turn it on. Come on.
Hey, everybody saying put your system on. Good song.
Anybody got a water bottle so I can just like put it right there and see if it actually rattles?
Nah, you'll feel it.
Can I get inside?
Para todos ustedes, para todas este bonito. A ver si les gusta esto bonito dice.
I thought las Instagram.
And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. Yes, I did.
I just wanted you to be the model, wait. It's your...
Yes, I did it all for love. Oh.
Imagine going to the club looking like you're gonna be the real cook with the century.
They say fools believe in it, so I guess I'm one of them. Oh, don't you know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? I fell for fools gold. I fell for fools gold. What did I know? What did I know? And you a fool's gold. Yes, I did.
What the hell's going on out here? Whoa! What? Your time! There's World War III! Got a Leo here washing his truck.
Pumping gas.
I'm gonna steer your truck. I'm gonna take it. I'm gonna go wash it for you.
Alright.
I'll bring it back nice and slow. Up at my ears. What do you have in this thing?
Full bolt on the 85.
I recorded this truck racing one of these days.
Follow me on my Instagram. All the videos right there.
Can your truck do that?
Yeah.
I wish mine can do that too. No, it don't. Oh, it has not?
Oh, my bad.
Sexy.
My bad. Just for show. There's not even a connection.
What did I know? What did I know? did it all for love. Yes, I did it all for love. Oh.
You let me?
Yeah.
Okay, guys, so I'm gonna be using his wide lens. We're gonna clean my truck outside, but you're gonna help me, right?
Yeah. And
Okay.
he's gonna help out too. He's my new detailer, Leo.
Leo.
Garcia's underscore
Another
details.
Leo. Static Leo. And this is my friend, my best friend from childhood, Michelle.
What's up, guys? We're here at i.detail. I don't know the rest, but he's gonna wash his car.
Truck. Pick.
Okay, try to get it.
God, no, you messed it up.
I'm sorry. I'm used to saying car because I have a car.
No.
No.
Oh, damn, this looks bad.
Take what you want from me. I'll give you everything. All that and more you'll see.
All right, so we're gonna do a couple steps on the wheel. We're gonna take some non-acid wheel cleaner. This stuff softens dirt real
It's
good.
been dirty for 4 months.
Here, come check out the tire.
No water on there? I thought we were gonna put water on there.
No, you want your rims are perfect for using it dry.
Only the ones that are painted right now.
Painted, raw aluminum, chrome, it will stain it.
It's already coming out, look at
And
that.
it softens dirt on the underliner, especially fabric. So that's why. He's got some in his mouth.
It was still in the air.
All right, stuff.
That stuff is strong. It was in the air for a while. It went in my mouth. I could feel my tongue tingling. Don't get close to it when you spray it or put something on it.
So now that we sprayed the non-acid wheel cleaner, we're softening the dirt. It's good on rubber. Scrub the tire and it's gonna turn orange.
Yeah, look at that. Stuff is strong. Dirty. Look at all that. It's nasty.
Now we're gonna do the back of the wheel, the barrel. Get more of a stab and sweep. Nothing too aggressive. Just
Butter.
okay, half-ass it.
Because of the chemicals, you just sweep, right? That's
Yeah, chemical, yeah, it just slides off. It just makes it easier. And I actually have other wheel cleaners that do the same thing.
This is like strong. Or what? Is the strongest one? Or there's more?
Pretty strong, yeah. Concentrated, so you can actually dilute it. And it's strong.
I can taste it in my mouth. It's dilute.
So now if you put tire shine, it's gonna last.
Love is not fiction, but this
I want
Maybe other rinse bucket. You have your wash mitt?
No.
Who's gonna wash with? Yeah? Dad did give you a wash mitt.
No, you didn't. You only gave me the for the tire.
My bad. Oh, okay. Let's pour whatever is in there.
Do I have to like mix it a little
No,
bit?
just throw it in there.
Oh, good.
Just to fill it up. All right.
Then biceps though.
For real?
Yeah.
Work out. Don't work out today though, right?
Yes.
Gonna work out, guys.
Yep.
Okay.
In case you
Hook
didn't
it up. Hook it up to
see
the
it on my
gun.
Insta.
Huh?
Hook it up to the gun. No. Close it. How's that?
Oh, that is bad. Oh, this right here, right? Damn, that is freaking
Sell
badass.
these for $50.
Well, these
Got them
are.
in stock. That determines how much soap comes out.
Oh, see right here?
So let's go with C.
C means what?
Let's see how much soap
Okay.
comes out. Spray it on the.
Keeper, let's see how much comes out.
And it just twists. Okay, C. You feeling lucky? Do you pump?
Let's foam it. I think we have enough where you can foam it and you can scrub it.
Okay.
D.
It's on C still.
You know what? Do D. This is what I want you to do. Like if you're painting. So just start one end and then, you know what I mean? Go with the flow.
Yeah, get your-
You know what I mean?
To get a good smooth shot.
Exactly.
Yeah,
Like,
just go.
you know how you
And stop playing.
Hey.
A lot better than that other
Yeah,
spray.
we talked about that part. What does it say? What does it say right there? I watched. I was gonna text them back, but I'm sorry, man. I already have a detailer.
Pro detailers, I mostly wash to sell my products. So if you ever do come up need a wash, hit them up.
Hey,
1.6 OBS.
but he has to buy.
Yeah.
Hey, shout out to him only if you bought one. Oh, but bro, buy some products from over here.
Go. So now that you're done with that, so this is why you have a rinse bucket. See all that dirt? Dunk it into the rinse bucket.
Already dunked it in there.
Well, don't do it again.
It's kind of like we're starting over again. All that dirt that you grab, go ahead and dunk it into the rinse. Wring it out into the concrete. Get out. There you go. Dunk it once or twice. Clean it up. Dunk it into the soapy bucket of water.
Oh,
and that's what it is, man. You just want to do a panel at a time. If your washment is real dirty, dunk it into the rinse bucket.
My baby looks sexy. My baby looks like one of those type of girls that when she doesn't wear her makeup for long and then she does, she's like that Disney movie when she's at the ball, everybody's looking at her. She has sexy baby. Everybody's staring at her. Ole. It was just a shot and that was it. I didn't even put any materials on these wheels yet. And look at those wheels. Oh wait.
Your tires are real slick.
Yeah. He's questioning if I use tire shine. I didn't use any tire shine.
Look at it, guys.
Look at that.
Looks like you got tire shine.
Damn, I don't have no tire shine on there.
That's that non-acid wheel cleaner that cleaned the crap
Bro,
out of
it
them.
literally cleaned the hell out of the wheel. I didn't even touch them too much. Wow, she's
So,
sexy.
I got it sell, guys.
Bing. Oh, look at that, baby. It's not the same on video. That's the sucky part.
Well, I personally think on video it looks a lot better than it does in person.
No, look at this. No, I don't think that.
I'm serious, like, I think the camera makes it look like just, but I mean, it looks good right here.
It looks, she a sexy.
This is just a wash and a dry, correct?
That's it. It's just the products that he gave me, the wheel cleaner. What else is it?
Soap, the Chemical Guys VO7 high gloss soap.
Yeah.
It was a high gloss soap.
I just can't wait to actually fix her up. And I got this project, the C10 and my dad's OBS. There's gonna be a lot of cool things on my channel, but one thing's for sure that they are gonna take a while now that I'm helping Freddie out with his channel again because I'm too busy doing his. So as soon as mine keeps on growing, then I'll start moving to my channel. But for now, I need to help Freddie because this year CTI California, LST, there's like big events. That's why I'm basically going back with Freddie because there's gonna be he's a serious channel basically. You know, me and him built it, so we're gonna keep on progressing, and I'm not just gonna help him out.
It's a good skill to have too.
Yeah,
editing and
it's fun. It's just fun for me. I love making videos.
Yeah, that's what it's about. Not about showing off or anything. It's just, you know, let people know what you're doing.
Yeah, might be the end of the video, but truck's done. I love it. I love this color. People keep saying, why'd you get blue? It doesn't match with anything. I love that it looks midnight. It just looks sexy.
Cling. Time for food.
Time for food.
I appreciate you coming, Omar. You're always welcome out here.
All right, man. Hey, next time we're gonna go all out with the paint. How about that? What do you think?
You can help out too. Take out the scratches, bring it back to life. Maybe throw a wax or a ceramic coating. Do something.
There's big things that are gonna happen in this channel. Trust me. It's just the beginning. 2020 is the best year of my life because I know that I'm gonna predict the future and I'm gonna go all out. And there's gonna be badass things going on. I'm gonna just end it like this.
The F out of here, huh?
Fine.
Lose your,
So I'll see you on the next.
See?